अस्सलाम वालेकुम वेलकम बैक टू न्यू वीडियो। आज हमारे पास लेक्चर नंबर 3 इसमें हमारे पास स्टोरी है द रोबर्स टर्न इनटू अ गुड सिटीजंस। हजरत शेख अब्दुल कादिर गिलानी had to undertake a journey when he was yet a young boy. His pious mother stitched up 40 gold coins in his shirt. She advised her son to always speak the truth. He joined a caravan and set off on his journey. When the caravan entered a forest, a gang of robbers fell on the travelers and deprived them of all their valuables. While they were busy robbing everyone, a robber happened to pass by the young boy. He said, "Do you have anything on you?" "Yes," came the prompt reply. "I have 40 gold coins." The robber asked the young boy to show the money, which he readily did. The robber took the boy to the leader of the gang. Like all the robbers, the leader was also surprised. He said, "Why did you not deny having money?" Hazrat Sheikh Abdul Qadir Gilani told the robber's chief that his mother has advised him to speak the truth always. This had a deep effect on the chief. He said, "Alas, I do not obey the commands of Allah, while this little boy so faithfully follows the advice of his mother." Remorse became a guideline to show him the right path. He made up his mind to give up his bad ways of earning livelihood. He disbanded the gang and advised all the members to live an honest life. Thus, the example set by Hazrat Sheikh Abdul Qadir Gilani reformed all the robbers. He grew up to be a great religious leader and a pious saint. He is held in great esteem by millions of his followers and devotees. He is popularly known as Ghazul Azam Gilani. Moral: speak the truth always.